1. Open any exchange. For this video, we'll be using Binance as an example. 2. Click on P2P trading. 3. Choose any seller. 4. Enter the amount of fiat. 5. Click on Make Payment, then choose any payment method. 6. Transfer your fiat to the seller, then click on Transferred, Notify Seller. 7. Please wait for the seller to send the USDT to your wallet. 8. Successfully purchase USDT through P2P trading. 9. Go to Wallet section. In the Funding tab, click on Transfer. 10. Transfer USDT from Funding to Spot Wallet, then enter the amount. 11. Go to the home screen. Click on Search. 12. Choose MATIC USDT, then click on Buy. 13. Enter the amount of USDT that you want to buy. 14. Go back to Wallet section, then click on your MATIC. 15. Click on Withdraw, then choose Send via Crypto Network. 16. Copy your personal Metamask address, then paste it here. 17. Choose the Polygon network, then enter the amount of MATIC that you wish to send. 18. Click on Confirm. 19. Successfully send your MATIC to your Metamask wallet. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notification, leave a like, share, and comment what tutorial should we do next.